Hi, I'm Tony Lopena from GMA7. Ako po si Vincent sa Pepito Manaloto. Okay, so sa 15 years ko na kasi doon sa show, tagal na ng show namin, di ba? Medyo nagkakaroon na ng mga palinya ng konti ang face ng lola nyo. Kaya talagang matagal ko na talagang balak na magpakonsulta kay Dr. Contessa. At actually kasi yung partner ko muna ang una talagang nagpa-treat dito. Way back 2019, nagpagawa siya dito, yung partner ko. At from then on, sinusubaybayan na namin yung mga content ni Dr. Contessa. At matagal na namin talagang plano na magpakonsulta dito. Kasi ako hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung procedure na dapat gawin sa akin at ayoko ding magmarunong. Kaya talagang gusto ko makonsulta muna at makita ako mismo ng personal ni Dr. Contessa kung ano ang maganda. Siyempre, ang pinaka-main concern ko dyan, yung mga lines ko. Kasi mostly ng mga eksena ko kasi as kontrabida doon sa Pepito Manaloto, mostly naka-tight shot kasi sa akin because of my facial expression. So nakikita ko medyo na lumalabas na ang mga lines at saka yung medyo lumulungkot na ng konti, pabagsak na doon sa lips. Kaya parang kailangan na talaga niyang ayusin. Alam mo yon. And I'm already 56 years old. I just turned 56 last July 10. So, parang kailangan na rin talagang ayusin, di ba? So, and I'm sure malaki ang tiwala ko kay Dr. Contessa kung ano man ang magandang dapat gawin sa akin. Susunod tayo. Tignan ninyo, subaybayan ninyo, mag-subscribe kayo, and then of course, i-follow ninyo ang mga content ng CSA. Tignan ninyo yung mga magagandang mga nagawa nila. Di ba? Kaya baka mamaya, katulad ko, pumunta rin kayo dito. Di ba? Siyempre, hindi tayo pwedeng basta-basta nagtitiwala, ano? Lalo na kung para tungkol sa mga pagpapaganda at pagpapaayos natin. Di ba? Alright? So, please subscribe and follow.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to the CSA Medical Aesthetics. I'm Dr. Contessa, your certified aesthetic physician. In today's episode, we have a new guest. Let's welcome Ismael.
Yay!
Yeah, glad to have you with us here at CSA.
Thank you very much, Doktora. Thank you for accommodating me. Thank you talaga.
You're so welcome.
Yes.
And we were, like, a while ago, we were chatting about, procedures that we do on our face because you haven't done anything.
Wala.
Yan. See?
Wala.
But he looks so, yan.
Ay, nako, hindi naman.
With features of a mestizo, Castilaloy.
Kasi,
yan.
Doktora, dati pa, marami nang nagko-convince sa akin na, paano ka? Magpa-ganyan-ganyan.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, ang iniisip ko, hindi ko kailangan kasi gusto ko
Right.
maging natural,
Correct.
gusto ko maging totoo pa rin doon ang rehistro ko sa TV.
Yes.
Pero nitong I turned 56.
Okay.
I'm already
Related,
56
yeah.
Oo, I turned 56. Medyo parang nakikita ko na may mga palinya.
Yeah, you started noticing lines.
Yes, lalo na itong mga huling episode ko sa Pepito. Medyo may gano'n na.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, baka kailangan talagang ipaayos ng konti.
Correct,
And
yeah.
that's the time na sabi ko, teka, magpapakonsulta muna tayo sa CSA.
Right. Yan.
Kailangan makita mo na ni Dr. Contessa kung ano ang tama at dapat gawin.
Yes.
Di ba? Ayok magbarunong, no?
I was looking at Ismael, and his face is already so, within the proportions, within the ratios, and still contoured. And I could say he still has the volume. It's more of like the skin texture, skin quality, the outer, like you start to see mga lines, creases, wrinkles, and especially because every day you're into like you have tapings, you perform, you have to make use of the facial muscles for expressions. However, yung nga over time, expression lines come out. Ito na. Yan, mga deep creases, dito, horizontal frown line. Kasi syempre, pag ang expression nyo, angry, galit. Kailangan galit. So, you frown this muscle here. Pag ang expression, sad. Yan yung sad. Paano bang sad?
Correct.
Yan, look at the muscles. So, they're already causing these deep lines, deep creases.
At saka ito, doktora, medyo nalulungkot na to.
Sad on this part.
Ito po ba? Paano po ba itong lips na to? Medyo
the downturning of the corner of the mouth. You're noticing na itong, yung mga puppet line, marionette line. And then ito na, nagja-jowls na dito because of also the descent of the skin tissues with the pull of gravity. Yan. And over time, nagwi-weaken yung mga support structures.
At ang kagandahan kasi dito kay Dr. Contessa, non-surgical. So, hindi ka talaga matatakot. Alam mo yun, yung eto magti-treatment tayo ngayong buong araw na to, pag uwi ko mamaya, happy pa ako. Diba?
That's the goal.
Walang mga surgical na mga Kaya, okay ka pa rin.
Right. Diba? So, what kind of treatment, what procedure, we will show you when we return. And we're back. So, what we're going to do for Ismael right now is our non-surgical thread lifting, whereby we will target this saggy part here, the mid-face section, and then we'll also target the jowl area and also kind of lift the corner of the mouth, okay, so that it doesn't go down here, and we'll just reposition it upwards, okay? So a while ago, we cleansed the skin. We also applied topical numbing cream. And then I also use my cryo anesthesia, something cold, malamig lang. Okay. And the lateral part or the posterior part of the face will be our entry point for our thread lips. Okay, I'm just gonna numb the skin again. Numb lang natin. We'll be making an entry point numbing here. So this is just anesthesia. It's a sensation, I don't know if you had dental treatment in the past, then they injected like dental anesthesia, just like that. So this is a long one. I'm just gonna insert it here and then push the anesthesia. Okay, you're still good?
Okay, yeah.
And then here. So tomorrow you have an event. As much as possible, we wanna minimize any swelling or bruising. We'll just use a single entry point for now. Okay.
Okay.
And then we will just do a regional nerve block here to numb the area here, okay? So this is a sensation parang dental anesthesia, okay? Then we'll use our first entry point here. Now I'll be using a so-called multiple bidirectional cog thread. It's a protein strand. It's a polymer. We call it polymer. And these kinds of polymers also stimulate collagen, build up new collagen to strengthen your skin tissues. Yun, build up dermis layer, support the dermis so that there will be no lines, wrinkles, and at the same time, sagginess. Yan. So I'm just gonna glide it. Usually the layer we target is the so-called deep subcutaneous layer and up to the SMAS layer. So just up to the nasolabial fold, we'll glide it here and pull it out. So that's one. Okay, so it's just gonna be like that, a series of like 3 for the mid-face section. It's gonna be using one entry point. So it's a pressure that you feel. I'm minimizing my lidocaine so that tomorrow you're not so swollen because you have an event.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Then I'm just gonna lift this up here. There you go. So some pressure, some pressure, some pressure.
May konti.
Yes, okay. Some pressure there. So what we're gonna do is we'll just lift, reposition that saggy nasolabial fat tissue there. Usually, because our face is kind of like subdivided into superficial fat compartments. That's the layer 2 of our face. So that superficial fat compartment, they tend to sag down. So I'm just gonna pull this up and kind of help this malar tissues here. So just place it here. This is the third one, and then I'm gonna proceed to the lower face already. Okay. Then after that, we'll just cut this strand here so you feel the pull.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a pull already. And then I'm just gonna cut the strands here and remove it. So done with the mid face on the right, then we'll just do the lower third of the face. So now my entry point will be pre-tragus, in front of the tragus. So just an injection of a lidocaine. Sorry for lidocaine. It's a sensation of a needle prick. Okay, I'm just gonna glide it under the skin. This is where we will place our cog threads, PDO, protein strands, polymers. Okay, so there you go. Then we want to target this fold here, labiomandibular fold. Lift that. Actually, this area also, near the marionette, we also inject Botox there to target a muscle called depressor muscle. Alam mo ba sa mukha may depressor? Nagkakos ng depression. Okay. So, a depressor muscle here, we will also relax that with our Botox later on. Yes. And we also like target a platysma muscle here because the platysma pulls down this jawline, creating jowls. Yon. So, we'll also target that so your lower third is not saggy. Okay? So, we'll make an entry point again here. So, I'll use multiple bidirectional cog here. Again, so 2 strands of this, first one. So I'm just gonna reach this. Okay, just sensation of your kind of like a heavy sensation or a kind of, we add lidocaine, so I know you feel the cannula. It's just a cannula. Cannula is a blunt type of needle, so it's not anything that's sharp. So we're just gonna add lidocaine there, so you don't feel it. Okay. Although I wanna minimize the number of or amount of your anesthesia, so you just pull it out and reposition, going up a bit. Okay. Because we want to reach the so-called SMAS layer. We call it SMAS. It's beneath the superficial fat. Okay, that's the one that surgeons are targeting when they're doing facelift.
Ayun.
Yes, may layer na inaabot ang mga surgeons. So this is my last one for cog thread on this side here. Okay. Then, after doing cog thread lifting, or kind of
Pwede naman ako nagsasalita.
Yeah, it's okay. A semi-face lifting. Later on, I'll work on your under eye. Kasi, the eye area, it's noticeable that where we look tired, haggard. Yeah. So, we want to restore volume there by injecting a so-called collagen filler right now. So, collagen is found in your skin. 80% ng skin has collagen. Pag daw umabot na tayo ng 50, 50% na rin ng collagen na pwedeng nawawala.
Oh my God.
So, we'll just inject na collagen na directly sa ating balat. O, yun. So, my entry point will just be a line. So, lateral canthal line like this and the alar line like that. So, we'll just make a prick, tiny prick. Okay, tiny prick lang. And I'll use my cannula again here, a gauge 35 with a length of 38 millimeters. So I'll just inject initially here in the tear trough area here. Yan. We're placing in the real collagen already for the skin. We call it type 1 collagen kasi maraming types ng collagen. Sa skin, ang type ng collagen, we call it type 1 tsaka type 3. So, specific na yung nilalagay natin. So, we already place about 0.4. So, I'm just gonna add na lang dito sa side. We call it tear valley, the 0.1. Okay, done na yun. Then, Botox na tayo. See? So, we'll just treat also the crow's feet here. Okay? Tapos, ito yung tinatawag nilang lion line daw. Ayan. Tapos, yung horizontal lines. And also, we will relax yung tinatawag kong depressor muscle. And the so-called platysma muscle here. They call it also Nefertiti lift when you target the platysma. Okay, I'll start with the crow feet here. Okay, dito lang sa gilid-gilid. Okay, so a little bit there, a little bit here, and a little bit there. So, we target a muscle here. I-relax natin siya para hindi nagre-wrinkle. Then, a little bit sa under eye para walang wrinkle din ng under eye. Ayan, konti lang. And ito, ang tinatawag nilang lion line daw. Ayan yung kabilang corrugator muscle with the depressor muscle. Alam mo, may depressor muscle din dito. Yun. And yung tail, yung tinatawag na tail. Meron siyang head, merong tail. And tapos nun, we'll target itong mga horizontal lines here. And just a little bit of a Botox. Usually, we only give baby doses para meron ka pa ring facial expression.
Yes.
Kailangan may movement pa rin ng face. We don't want the frozen face. We want the natural face lang, right? And then, I'll target na yung tinatawag na DAO muscle here para hindi ka sad face. And I also target yung tinatawag na mga platysma muscle here, platysma muscle there. And there you go. So, we've done the right. Let's proceed to the left side. So we have done the treatment. We'll show the result when we return.
Grabe. Ang ganda ko. Grabe, nawala yung mga lukot-lukot dito. Talaga nawala lahat yung lukot-lukot. Tapos ito, umangat. Umangat talaga, doktora. Ganda. Pero hindi pa ako masyadong makapagsalita kasi nasasaktan pa ako dito, masakit. Medyo masakit pa dito. Eh okay lang. Nag-ice compress ako. Yun, medyo nararamdaman ko biglang kung kumikirot or siya, biglang may sakit ganun. Pressure tapos nawawala. Pero grabe, doktora, nawala ang mga malalaking sumpa dito. Ano ka ba? Hindi ko maibuhos ang aking tawa at sigaw. Tsaka ito talagang medyo nabawasan talaga yung mga bagsak na, eye bags ang tawag doon. Ganda, oh. Ay nako, doktora, grabe, ikaw na.
And we're back. Let's show the result. And here's the mirror. So, there you go. Yan. Okay. So, as a summary, we've done the cog thread lifting, mid-face area, lower face area. It's a minimum number of cog threads yet. I cannot do a lot because may event tomorrow.
Yes.
And then I did some collagen injection for the tear trough. And then also injecting Botox on the upper third, targeting the horizontal lines on the forehead, the frown line here, the crow's feet there, and also the depressor muscle, DAO muscle for that marionette line, and some platysmal lift. But the Botox, we'll see the result. Usually, it starts 3 days to 15 days. And then the cog thread lift, somehow there's a sensation of tightening already, firming and lifting already.
Yeah.
Then the collagen, somehow you notice a bit of elevation already on the under eye or so-called tear trough.
Yes, nawala.
Yeah. So how are you?
Okay siya.
Yeah.
Nawala.
Yes, the tear trough, right?
Oo, at
Yeah.
saka hindi, ang galing dahil nga non-surgical siya. So kailangan eksperto talaga yung yung gagawa.
Yes.
Ang galing-galing ni Dr. Contessa. Grabe.
Glory.
Yung kung ano yung ginawa niya dito, parehong-pareho dito naman sa kabila.
Yes.
Diba? Ang galing.
Should be
ang gaan.
symmetrical. Beauty
Oo.
is within symmetry to create facial harmony.
Oh,
Yeah.
tsaka talagang siya, na-lift ng konti pa
Yes.
itong
Yes.
eyes.
Yes.
Kanina talagang grabe to. Haggard talaga ako kanina eh.
Yeah, right.
At saka ito, ramdam ko to. Talagang
Yes,
na-stretch.
tight and firm and lift. Yeah.
Ngayon pa lang naramdaman ko na.
Yes. It's just the beginning.
Oo.
Actually, as time passes by, there will be more improvements. Because those
Yes.
PDO threads are also collagen stimulator. In 4th week to 6th weeks, 12 weeks, they're creating
Yes.
new collagen fibers and they will still lead to that firming and lift.
Tsaka ito, doktora, meron kang ginawa dito. Sa
Yes.
ilalim dito, may
Right.
ginawa ka dito,
Yeah.
nararamdaman ko.
I also injected Botox here to this line here to target the muscle that pulls down this lower third of your face. So, it's not gonna cause any more sagginess.
Pero
We'll-
pwede akong tumawa, pwede akong mag-smile,
Yes,
pwede
of course.
Oo.
So, we still wanna keep the, your facial expressions,
Yes.
the natural expressions. The goal is just to make you look refreshed, not tired looking, not haggard looking. It's just glowing, radiant, and more confident.
At saka nawala talaga yung maraming mga lines kanina dito.
Right. There you
Oh.
go. There's an instant result. Because we also place on the tear valley some of your collagen filler. And the collagen also stimulates collagen stimulation again. There you go. So there will still be more improvement. So this is just the beginning of our treatment.
Yes.
Yeah. Ano na daw tayo pag edad 50 pataas, maintenance daw eh.
Oo nga, at saka hindi.
Maintain.
Alam mo, dahil meron naman talagang CSA, meron naman talagang Doktora Contessa, magpaganda na tayo.
Amen
Diba?
to that. Nag-iisa ka lang. Love yourself. Take good care of yourself.
I-enjoy
Yan.
natin. At syempre,
Right.
reasonable naman lahat.
Yes, yes.
Kung ano man yung treatment na ibibigay
Right.
sa atin. Pagpaganda yan eh. Hindi lang yung
Exactly.
doktora, no? Pampasaya din ng
Correct. Yeah.
ng mga puso natin.
True.
Di ba?
True.
Oo.
So mentally, psychologically,
Exactly,
you feel
yes.
great also. If you look good, you feel good.
Yes.
And the more you become productive every day of your life.
Thank you very much,
Amen.
Doktora.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yan. So if you have any questions, you may email us at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com, our FB page, CSA Medical Aesthetics, Instagram, CSA Medical Aesthetics. Our clinic is located here at the Infinity Shop, Pulong Maragul, Angeles City. Contact number 0933-860-9193 or 0917-504-4268. Yan, meron ka bang social media that they can follow you?
Yes! Please follow my my YouTube, I am Vincent. At syempre sa Facebook, ang Ismael Lopena. At siya ang Instagram ko, Tony Lopena. Alright? Para masubaybayan nyo din kung ano na ang mangyayaring mga susunod. Di ba?
Right.
Kung ano na ang mga mas malaki pang improvement dito sa mangyayari sa akin.
We'll
Di ba?
have a journey together. Abangan nyo po yung mga
Excited!
next episodes. We'll check on Ismael.
Yes.
Inspect and visualize and validate the results of what we have done here. Okay?
Yes.
So, also watch our other videos at our YouTube channel, Contessa Salvador. So, God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Medical Aesthetics.